Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. Today's lesson will be a little bit different as we will be spending time outside. I plan to show you nature in spring in Canada. So, today is May 27th and it is still spring. The summer will come soon. But I still feel like it is summer because it is very warm and sunny today. So I am very happy and I will teach you a lesson on the simple present tense and some vocabulary for nature. Okay, are you ready to learn? Let's get started. Right now I am in a park. It is so beautiful. Look at the trees. The leaves have come out. They are so new. The trees are beautiful, aren't they? Look over there. There are some bikers. And here, this is a small street. And you can see there are many cherry blossom trees. They are beautiful. This is a cherry blossom tree. Look at it. It is so beautiful. So nice. And here is a pathway along the park beside the river. Can you see the river? And here is a boat, a small boat. Maybe they are fishing. And here is a birdhouse. This is a home for birds. I'm wondering if anyone is at home. And here are two geese. They are so cute, aren't they? There are many geese in Canada. They fly away in the fall, but they always come back in the spring. So nice. Look over there. The man is cutting grass. He is riding on a lawn mower. Here, can you see the grass? It is very green and beautiful. I love walking on the grass. It feels so good. Here is a bench. People come here to sit and relax. Look over there. There is a couple sitting on a bench. Hello again. Now we are on the way to another park and we are having bubble tea. Does it look delicious? I love bubble tea. Now we are in another park. See, Nature in Canada is beautiful in the spring. I want you to see a bridge. There we go. This is a bridge. The bridge goes over the river. Look at the river. It looks very calm and peaceful. But actually it is very dangerous because it has a current. So what does current mean? A current is the fastest part of the river, and it is under the surface of the water, so we cannot see the current, right? Look over there. There is a kayaker. He is kayaking in the river. Here is another kayaker. See, people in Canada love kayaking in the spring and summer. It is so relaxing. Now we are in a forest. There are many trees here. Can you hear the birds chirping? Now, let's review the vocabulary from the video. Repeat after me. Bench, bench. Boat, boat. Trees, trees. Grass, grass. Geese, geese. Cherry blossoms, cherry blossoms. Lawnmower, lawnmower. Bridge, bridge. Pathway, pathway. Bikers, bikers. Park, park. Current, current. Remember, a current is the fastest part of the river. Okay, so we cannot see the current because it is under the surface of the water. Remember? Okay, nice. Next, I will show you a picture from the nature lesson. Please try to name it, okay? Yes, bench, bench. Right, boat, boat. Right, trees, trees. Correct, grass, grass. Nice, geese, geese. Yes, cherry blossoms, cherry blossoms. Yes, lawnmower, lawnmower. Right. Right. Rich, rich. Perfect. Pathway, pathway. Right. Bikers, bikers. Yes, park, park. Right, current, current. Very good. So, what is the simple present tense? The simple present tense is when you use a verb to tell about things that happen continually in the present, like every day, every week, every month, every year. Okay? We can also use the simple present tense for anything that happens very often and is factual. Okay? Now, here are some examples for the simple present tense from the video about nature. I am in a park. This is a cherry blossom tree. I love bubble tea. The bridge goes over the river. The river has a current. Okay? So, I will explain more in details how to use the simple present tense in the next video. Now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.